Okay, moving further with question number 7. The heading is write all the integers between the given pairs. These are the pairs. In between we have to write the integers in ascending order. Ascending means small to big. So 0 and minus 7. So we will start with the smallest numbers on the number line. So minus 6 is the smallest. Then minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. But remember, this is between the pair. Between means between 0 and minus 7. So we will not include 0 and also we will not include minus 7 because we have to write the numbers in between the pair, that is 0 and minus 7. Here is minus 4 and 4. So between minus 4 and 4 we have to write the numbers in ascending order, that is small to big. So negative integers, the number which will come is about bigger, but with negative sign it becomes smallest. So between the pair we have to write. So minus 4, then the smallest number is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Hopefully this is clear to you. Then for number C, minus 8 and minus 15. So the numbers minus 8 and minus 15. So here minus 8 will not come. So minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. We have to write the integers in ascending order, that is small to big, between this given pair. So now we have minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. Then we have minus 30 and minus 23. So it will begin with from minus 30. So minus 29, minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24, as we have to write in between the given pairs. Now moving on to question number 8. Point number A. Write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Which are the numbers that are greater than minus 20? So which are those? Minus 20, then we have the greater number will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. These are the greatest numbers. Now, point B of question number 8. 4 integers which are less than minus 10. So which are smaller than minus 10. So that will be minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14 are the smaller integers less than, that is the smaller integers than minus 10. Coming on to question number 9. True or false? I have only written the answers but I go with the sentences. A. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on the number line? Definitely yes. Right? This is minus 10 and this is minus 8. This is the right side from where we come from negative to positive. So minus 10 and minus 8 is definitely, minus 8 is on the right side of minus 10. So this is true. Minus 100 is on to the right side of minus 50 on a number line? No. Minus 100 will come on to the left side of minus 50 on a number line. So this is false. Smallest negative integer is minus 1? No. That will not be the smallest one, that will be the biggest one. If you see minus 1 and minus 13, for example, in question number 10 it is given minus 1 will be the greatest one and minus 13 will be the smallest one. So minus 1 is not the greatest, not the smallest negative integer. It is the greatest one. So again C is false. And D, minus 26 is greater than minus 25? No, minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. So again this is false. So rest A is true, B, C, D are false. And moving on to the last question of exercise 6.1. Draw a number line and answer the questions. Number A. Which number will reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Please remember, this is the right side and this is the left side. The negative integers are always written on left side and positive on right side. If we want to move 4 right, so we have to move this one right, this side of the number line. 4 right of minus 2. From minus 2 we have to move towards the right direction 4. So where it will come? from 2 we have to move 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is towards right. Right? So move 4 right to from -2. So we are moving on to the right side. So count 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 2. Positive 2. B. Which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1? Now we have to move towards the left. So we are going from positive to negative. So from 1 we have to move 5 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from 1 when we will start towards left, it is answer is -4. Now if we are at -8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach -13? -8 is here, -13 is here. So now which is this direction going on? This is definitely the left direction. So from 8 we are moving on to the left side and the -13 we are reaching. So from -8 to 13 we are moving on to left direction. And the last question is, if we are at -6 on the number line, in which direction we move to reach -1? So if we are on 6 and when we want to move on to -1, we are going into which direction? Right direction. So from -6 to -1 we are moving to the right direction of number line. Hopefully this is clear to you, and you have to copy the whole exercise 6.1 in your classwork notebook with neat handwritings along with the questions and answers. Thank you.